What do you have to say for people and organizations that are hesitant towards the use of ketamine in this way? Because, as you said, it's only been really clinically used in the last 15 years.
Right.
And medically speaking, that's still very infantile.
Right.
So, what would you have to say to any people in groups that have that hesitancy towards ketamine?
Right. And that's a great question. And surprisingly, a large group of people are actually in the mental health space.
Yeah.
I've now given talks in the last 2 years to both nurse practitioners that are specializing in psychiatry, so they're still at that student level, but not knowing very much about ketamine. And as recently as last month, I gave a talk to a large group of therapists in the Connecticut area. Introducing them to ketamine, right?
Mm.
And letting them know how it works. What's the, what are the risks? What are the side effects? What are the benefits? How we do it? And so I think my answer is that this drug has been around for 55 years. It's a very safe drug. The FDA is slowly adopting it as a legitimate treatment for, right now, resistant depression. I think over time, they clearly will adopt the intravenous form and approve it. So we are in the data gathering stages, right? I mean, we need data to demonstrate the benefits of the drug. So what I say to anyone who's hesitant is it's extremely safe. There's really no downside to you undergoing a series of treatments for us.
Mm.
Now, what we tell them is our experience seems to match what the national experience is, which is about 70 to 80% of patients get improvement of symptoms.
Mm.
I think that's a pretty good number, right? But the good news is with any medication, you have to weigh the risk-benefit ratio, it's called, right? And the risk of exposure to ketamine infusions is extremely, extremely low, as we've gone into in the podcast. So my perspective is if you are resisting other forms of therapy, why not be open to try the ketamine, knowing it works in a totally different mechanism, it's extremely safe, and you'll know within a 2 to 3 week period if you've gotten benefits.